Hi, my name is Jacob Hansen, and I, along with Jack Rowan here, are going to present to you the CompanyCam team for Senior Design 2021. Our side of the project was for intelligent photo management, and let's go ahead and jump in. So CompanyCam is a company here in Lincoln that develops photo and video management software that allows workers to easily capture and document work sites. This is heavily used in the trades, think plumbers, roofers, electricians. Their software allows workers to take pictures before, during, and after projects to document that for future reference. The project that we were given was twofold. One, we had to create an anomaly detection system for images, and two, we had to develop an advanced accessibility and hands-free feature set. So first, let's jump in and talk about the stakeholders at CompanyCam. Our main contact with our sponsor was Dr. Dan, better known as Thomas Mainsheim. He's the senior software engineer and mobile tech lead at CompanyCam. He was great to work with, and we got to work with a variety of people at CompanyCam, including Jeremy Stewart, an infrastructure engineer who knows way more than any of us do about AWS and was able to help us through a lot of the issues that we faced. Steve Lorenz, a software engineer with deep knowledge of the CompanyCam product, and Patrick, who was a product manager who was able to give us a lot more insight on the business side, not only on the development side, and helped us really dig in and find the business purpose and business values for the software we were creating. For our team, I was the product manager and cross-team squad lead. Jack was the dev manager. And then on our co-team, we had Eric Skoog as our dev manager and Noah Costello as our product manager. It is worth noting that we were a team of 10, and we initially split out into these two groups to chase both of these objectives. 6 of us stuck with AWS and developed that solution, while the other 4 joined the React Native team and developed the hands-free features for their mobile apps. As far as senior design staff go, Bill Browning was our project manager, and we were lucky to have Dr. Bowman as our tribe lead. The problem that we had with intelligent photo management was that hundreds of thousands of photos come in every day to their app. The last estimate we heard from them was whether it's a bug in the software or an issue with camera firmware or a new update to Android. A lot of images that shouldn't be in the database that the user should have caught early can end up actually staying in the database. Our product allows the development team to catch these anomalous images and patch the bug or figure out a solution with the customer to make sure that their future images are the way they're supposed to be. The problem for the hands-free team was that many users could benefit from advanced hands-free functionality. Because this app is mainly targeted at the trades, these people are very busy on the job site, and anything we can do to help them enter information faster and more efficiently can be a huge help. Our product allows users to provide keyboard input with their voice and other gesture input, such as shaking their device to trigger specific actions. I'll go ahead and hand it over to Jack to talk about the solutions built.
Thank you, Jacob. The solutions we built using AWS involve using Terraform infrastructure tool, using the Terraform infrastructure tool to deploy the anomaly detection functionality across the API gateway and Lambda services. An example of a resource definition inside of the Terraform scripts we developed can be seen here. Via the CLI, Terraform consumes resource definitions like what you can see and utilizes the AWS CLI to produce infrastructure in the AWS environment. Once deployed, our anomaly detection functionality can take in a pre-signed S3 URL and check for image validity, such as image sizing, blur detection, color gradients, and corrupted images. Now about the Slack solution we had. If anomalous image is detected, an alert is then sent to Slack, looking like the image seen on the slide here. To break down the image a bit, the score, our Python code assigns the image is attached, and then a label is for the error is attached. In this example, you can see the label is undersized or blurry for the image. So then the solution that the React Native team built They built a custom voice component using the React Native voice library to improve accessibility of the CompanyCam mobile application. The component they built is hosted on NPM, and then it allows access to universal speech-to-text, component listing status, and hands-free device shake status. A screenshot of the application developed by the React Native team for all this functionality can be seen here. So then to address some of the values and highlights from the work, the CompanyCam team will be able to extend their functionality when users are uploading photos to detect anomalous images and create alerts when those images are detected. This feedback will allow the CompanyCam team to improve their clients' photos and improve their clients' experience. In terms of the work the React team did, users will be able to operate the app and the camera hands-free on any mobile device. This functionality expands the flexibility of the app, as well as hopefully improving the user experience. And then just kind of looking back on the year, we would like to thank the CompanyCam team for working with us. We had the opportunity to work with stakeholders from the CompanyCam team with a range of skill sets, and each opportunity we had to collaborate was a positive and productive experience. The project tested our skill sets as a team and gave us valuable experience to take away. Thank you again, the CompanyCam team. Jacob and I will now take questions from the audience.
You think you could talk a little about, I mean, this project was a little weird in that you had a lot of freedom to kind of iterate on ideas throughout the year. So I don't know if you wanted to chat about some of the previous iterations, like the tag detection and stuff like that. Just because you put a lot of work into it and cool stuff that didn't end up getting used in the final product.
Yeah, so it is worth noting that our final product was actually only a couple months old. The majority of our project was spent chasing and looking into other options for intelligent photo management. We looked into image clustering to find out if that would help customers better group projects together based on location and the photos in the project. We looked into image recognition and seen if we can assign proper tags to the images. But neither of these really stood up, and we never got to the point where we were happy with them. Especially the image recognition, the lack of a proper data set for our specific use case is really what limited us there. And we were lucky to be able to find a solution that provided business value to CompanyCam that we were able to complete within the senior design timeframe in the anomaly detection algorithm. But we did have a lot of proof of concepts throughout the year. And so there was a lot of work that went into research and development before we finally landed on the anomaly detection. All right, well, if there's no final questions for Jack and I, thanks for stopping in and listening to our presentation.
Seems like you guys have done a fantastic job. I echo your faculty members' comments on how well you've done this project.
Thanks.
Thank you.